Okay guys, I decided today to replace HED bulbs on my estima 2006 and up. So there will be procedure how to replace them. Probably it's not the easiest way, but you can do it. So what you have to do, as you know, bulb located inside there. So first thing is you have to remove a cap, which is I'll show other side, which is over there. This plug you have to push with a screwdriver, and it will go down as I done it on this side. So it is like that. So as you can see, so once you push plug with the screwdriver down, and this plug is located down there. So first thing what you have to do is remove the wheel. Inside the wheel there's an opening, one's there, another is there, 10mm, and there's a plastic cap like this, which goes inside there. So once you open, you get access to a ballast or ignite or whatever. So you can see it says lock. I don't know, okay. Yeah, you can see that it says lock. So I'll try to go and put my fingers in, and then to remove that one, and then bulb and so on. So it may take fiddle, but hopefully it will be done soonish. So okay, I have removed bulb cap, which is like twist, which way? I think you have to twist that way and pull it out, but be careful because it may drop inside. So another good thing with these bulbs is that hopefully you can see it. So I can pull it a bit further. Oh, there you go. So hopefully you could see that housing. It moves. So I don't know if you can see, but literally this housing with the bulb, you can move it that way or that way because it's adaptive lights. So then it's quite easy to get to it. Oh, maybe you can see. Let's do it. So as you can see, it is easy. So there are two clips, one's down there and another somewhere there, and you just undo them and remove bulb. But please be careful, because once I dropped bulb inside, and it took me half an hour to fish it out. Okay guys, it took me like 10-15 minutes to do one side, to change the bulb, to make sure it all fits okay. Now when you refit this plastic one, there's actually at the bottom there's a mark, so you have to line up with come on, maybe you can see. Oh, as you can see there, you have to line up with this one. Can you see? Oh. And then you push it in, and then just push that way, and it will lock you up. And then, as I told you over there, there's a plug. So what you have to do is just push that plug in and up, and it will lock it up inside. So okay guys, so I'm doing another side. So what you do is put screwdriver and pull it off. That's it. So now I'm not sure which way, other side or this side. Let's try from there. Let's do like open other way. So I'll do So I'll try to push it. Simon, keep filming this one, please, for me.
Yep.
So that one, okay. Simon. And this way. Okay, that's done. So, thank you. So it's all done. So now it is easy, just wiggle, wiggle, wobble, and that is open. And now this one, it says lock. I think it's unlocked other way. So you can see it's I can move, and it makes job a bit easier. So it is hard one-handed. So to undo it, push this way and just remove with the, ideally with the two hands. So yeah, I'll have to undo with the two hands. Oh, let's try it with a screwdriver. Push it in. There you go. But be careful not to drop it inside. So you have to fish it out. And then you undo one clip, another clip, and take bulb out, put new one in, put those clips back in, put cap on, and that's it, test it. So you can see I've got the bulb, and that cutout, which is there, has to go on the top. So when you're fitting, try to go, make sure you align that one, and hold this one, and where they put cap. So now with this cap, before you put, you see that arrow, that little arrow there, it should align with, where is that? Should be, I can't see now. So on this side you can't see, there is no. So no matter. Guys, for the simple task it turned out a bit dodgy. So I had to remove a headlight, and as I said, be careful not to drop this one inside here. So it dropped inside there and I couldn't remove, so I had to take headlight out, remove bumper, move bumper, and so on.